Decorative geometry can add personality to a poster while maintaining a professional and organized appearance. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a simple background, then open the Elements panel and search for triangles, circles, hexagons, lines, and other geometric graphics. Place a few larger geometric elements around the product area and use smaller shapes as decorative accents near the corners or headline. Upload your product image and position it prominently so it remains the main visual focus. Add a bold product title, a short description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern typography. Keep the